welcome back to my video. Mommy, say hi.
Okay. Hi, I'm here. Oh, you tell them what you're gonna make. What
We're
you're making
gonna
today.
make this. You're gonna be able to watch me. So, here, thank you. So, first we're gonna put water. Hot food.
What is that? What food is that?
Shanghai.
Yeah.
Today we're gonna make Shanghai.
You're helping mommy?
Yeah. And my sister is busy watching Bluey, her favorite movie, and she watches it all the time, and she won't let me pick.
That's
so
why.
let's start.
That's why you're just helping mommy.
Yeah, I'm just helping my mom all the time.
Oh yeah.
Mommy, police reel.
Police? Yeah.
Oh, an 8.
You haven't seen a police yet? A real police?
No.
Because good girl ka, kaya hindi ko kita yung police. Show them how you make Shanghai.
Like this. And
This
my
is
mom,
the real Shanghai.
yeah, and I make fake.
Fake Shanghai yung ginawa mo. You're making a fake Shanghai. So that's not a
Oh,
real
it's a
Shanghai.
boot.
Yeah, there's a buta. So you have to maybe put some water here and then close it.
Yay.
Ayun pa.
Oh,
There's a hole.
remember, don't put holes. Then you have to put it with water.
What happens if there's a hole?
Then you cover it with water.
Off.
Yeah.
Oh, ito.
Oh. Ratatouille. You know who's Ratatouille again?
Yeah.
Who's Ratatouille?
What kind of animal is he?
A turtle?
No.
What is it?
Mouse.
Mouse.
Ratat-
Ratatouille.
Ratatouille siya yung mouse na that does know how to cook.
Oh,
He's
you
a
mean
mouse that cooks.
Ratatouille?
Yeah.
I know that movie. It's Ratatouille, the new movie.
It's not a new movie.
We already watched it?
I think so.
No.
No, baka kami lang dalawa ni ate.
I don't watch it yet.
Maybe you were still a baby yet when we watched it.
No, maybe I'm still at the tummy. That's why, but I still know the title is Ratatouille.
Oh, because you heard it when you were inside mommy's tummy?
No, because I heard it from Ate. Well, she's like that. And I'm like this already. Ooh,
Oh, yun na.
yummy.
Wow. Try mo pa. Show mo yung ano mo yung ginawa mo.
Yum.
Nasaan na yung sayo? It's hot ha. Be careful.
This is my own version of Shanghai.
Look at doon.
And this is my own version of Shanghai. And this is all my mom's.
Asa yung Shanghai mo? Right there. You wanna try it?
No, think it's hot.
Later?
Yep. The shot back the magic doll and drip is blood. It's all about when we all work different as the night from the day into twilight sparkle. Mom, there's a butas.
Oh, what you gonna do?
Mama, look like chubby.
O, tama na.
But there's a butas.
Try mo na yung ginawa mo.
No, but there's a butas there.
Oh, that's enough. You have lots already. Thank you, baby. Oh, show mo doon sa camera. Blow mo muna, blow.
Hi, 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 hi. Wow.
Oh, is it good?
Hey, that's my sister.
Give mo si ate, pakagat mo si ate ng ginawa mo.
No. Too hot.
Too hot. Oh, sabihin mo doon sa ano.
Hooray, bye.
Is it good?